Alright, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to Calabrese Auto Detail, and in today's video we're going to be installing my pump and pressure washer. So I had a few questions on my mobile detailing setup, how I set everything up, so I decided to film this today. And it's kind of funny because I filmed this twice, and the first time I put the pump in backwards, so it was actually flowing the wrong way, and I was running the pump dry. But I'm going to order another pump. This one still works. It's worked for about 3 years now, and I need to order another one just in case this one goes out, and I have a lot of details booked for the day. So I am actually starting my business up on Sunday. Today is Thursday, so a few days. March 5th is my opening day, and I posted on Instagram, and I'm already getting a bunch of people that want to book up. So my first day, Sunday, I have one of my best clients. I always reach out to him first and make sure he's a priority, because my first day he's giving me a Mercedes S-Class, a BMW X7, and a Lamborghini SUV truck for me to detail. So I have him on a weekly schedule, and we might move to bi-weekly, which is fine. I just picked up another weekly client. I have used him before, but I don't detail, since I live in the Northeast, I don't detail from about mid-November till maybe mid-March or early March. So I'm starting back up, so I don't blame people for not, keeping me. That's almost 4 months of me not detailing, and their cars are getting dirty every day while they're driving them. So they might go with another person that parks their van inside or something. But I think my work speaks for itself, so these people come back and they like me as a person, so that's why I have these clients coming back. But he wants me to do his Ferrari and Jeep Grand Cherokee, the new, what's that big Grand Wagoneer, that he wants me to do that as well. So that's going to be on the weekly schedule, and I still have to hit up more people who come from Florida that want me to do them weekly. I just do the wash for them, so it's not expensive and they like it, and every single week they pay me, and it's great. So here I'm putting in the pressure washer. I'm using the Bauer 2300 PSI 1.2 gallon per minute machine, and I kind of go with cheap machines on purpose, because the 1.2 gallon per minute, I have a 100-gallon water tank, and I don't want it to run out too fast. I could easily go with a gas machine, but then you cut down half of your spray time basically. So 1.2 gallons per minute is plenty for me. And I'm just screwing it all in here. Then I'm connecting the hoses here as well to my hose reel, and I'll take you out zoomed out, and you'll be able to see my whole setup basically, and me testing it out. But there, it's secure enough, and this is a temporary setup as well, because at night it still is freezing. So if it's a really cold night, I'm still going to be able to take out some of this stuff with no problem. So there's going to be a few more clips of me testing it and looking for leaks and testing all the pressure and everything. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I am been killing it lately with the YouTube shorts and uploading content, and I think I'll keep going with this YouTube channel, get it up to 1,000 subs, and this will be another source of income for the channel, and I can make cool videos for you guys and all that. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.